In this lecture, we will learn about classification, general quality, dimensions and physical requirements of common burnt clay building bricks used in buildings. Choice of masonry units is generally made from the consideration of local availability, compressive strength of material available, durability, cost, and ease of construction. Brick has the advantage over stone that it lends itself to easy construction and requires less labor for laying. Clay bricks are commonly known as red bricks. Red bricks are artificially made from earth and its normal strength is 35 kg per centimeter square. Brick with fly ash has normal strength of 60 kg per centimeter square. Standard size of brick is 200 by 100 by 75 mm to 220 by 110 by 80 mm. Bricks have been used for more than 5,000 years. A brick must be easy pick up with one hand, right size to hold in one palm, burnt such that it does not twist or crack, and of right weight. Strength of bricks in India varies from region to region depending on the nature of available soil and technique adopted for molding and burning. Red brick comes in three quality: first, second and third class, based on its burnt quality. In no case, bricks of different dimensions shall be used in a wall section. Following are the different brick terms used on a construction site. Frog. The purpose of providing frog is to hold the mortar and increase binding strength. The side of frog is considered as top surface. Header course. The course of bricks or stones laid flat in a wall with its long narrow side exposed. It is used to build wall greater than 10-inch thick. Stretcher course. The course of bricks laid widthwise. Usually, it is used in partition wall. Soldier. A brick laid vertically, with its long narrow side exposed. Row block. A brick laid on its long narrow side, with the short end of the brick visible. Shiner. A brick laid on the long narrow side with the broad face of the brick visible. Queen closer. It is a half bricks cut lengthwise. It is used along the length of a coin, that is masonry blocks at the corner of the wall for staggering joints of alternate course. Queen header. Used at the corner of a wall with a view of header from one side and stretcher from the other. King closer. Triangular portion cut to fit in a corner portion of a wall to make a proper joint. Brick bats. If the brick is cut into 3/4, then it is called as 3/4 bat. If the brick is cut lengthwise into 2 halves is called queen closer, and again cut in 2 halves is known as 1/4 brick. Course. Horizontal arrangement of bricks and stone with or without mortar. Joints in masonry: cross joint, wall joint, and bed joint. Bed joints and perpends. These are horizontal joints of a brick or stone masonry. Shape and size. Strength of masonry depends on surface characteristics and uniformity of size and shape of masonry units along with properties of mortar. Units of same shape and size can be laid with comparatively in thinner joints, thereby resulting in higher strength. Panel and pillar walls. A wall consisting of pillars at regular intervals of thin portion of wall to give transverse strength to the long boundary wall, because wall's dead load will become one-sided and tends to fall. Following are the characteristics of good bricks. It should be sound, hard and well burnt with uniform size, shape and color. It should be efflorescence-free. It should have low thermal and moisture movement. It should be fire-resistant. It should have a minimum compressive strength of less than 40 kg per square meter. It should have water absorption capacity less than 20%. Tolerances. 20 bricks should be stacked. The total length and width variance should be plus or minus 40 mm. Delivery and storage of bricks. All bricks shall be carefully unloaded and stacked. They shall be unloaded by hand or machine onto a reasonably dry and level site and not tipped from vehicles. While rehandling, ensure they are not tipped while moving within sight. All bricks must be protected from rain, snow and rising moisture and be kept dry at all times.